Alright, what I'm going to do here is cut another pattern I got from Steve Good over at Scrollsaw Workshop. It's a patriotic pattern, and go ahead and trim this up a little bit so I can glue it onto my board. Get rid of a lot of this paper. I don't need to waste the glue. Looks like it's going to be a nice pattern. Alright, that's got that pretty much cut out. Now what I usually do is take a bucket and put me a board across it, and then I'll put just a piece of newspaper over that. I'll leave my pattern down on top of that. Now I use this 3M Super 7 multi-purpose adhesive. Just hose that down a little bit. Alright, let that set for a few seconds. Now I'm putting it on this piece of cypress I cut down to, plain down to half inch thickness. It's got a couple of knots in it. I hope that don't mess with me. But now I'll just take my pattern, position it somewhere right about there. All right. Then get rid of this stuff. Now I'll just cut this off. Now it's ready to go over to the drill press to drill some holes in it. Alright, this has got a couple of really small places to cut out. So what I need to do is put my real small bit in. I think it's like a 68 or something. It's real small. I don't know if you can see that. It's a little dinky thing. Stick that in there. Okay, I'll go ahead and drill those out first. Okay, then I'll switch over to my bigger bit. I'm not really sure what size that is. It's pretty small. But it makes it a lot easier getting the blade in and out when I'm cutting it. That's one of the reasons I use that. should be it. Now it's just a matter of cutting it out. Alright, I've already cut out the smaller sections with a number 1 blade. I'm going to go to a number 3 blade now. Well, I've actually already put it in. And I'm going to start cutting out the rest of this never forgotten patriotic pattern. Alright, let me get this thing in there. I'm using the, alright, I just got that pretty much cut out now, so get that out of here. So that's cut out, and now all I've got to do is cut out the base here out of oak, it looks like, and then I'll take it over to the assembly table and go from there. Okay, I've got it all cut out, so now it's time to get that pattern off of there. Then I'll use the heat gun, get all that off first, then go with the adhesive remover. I think it's going to look pretty good. Yeah, I think that cypher's going to turn out pretty nice with some finish on it. It'll darken up quite a bit. Yeah, we got to be careful getting the adhesive off of there. Just enough to see. Alright, good enough. I'm going to let that dry and do some sanding on it and get it ready to assembly. Okay, I've got it all glued up, sanded and glued up and everything. I just have to put some finish on it later. This is again a pattern from Steve Good over at Scrollsaw Workshop. If you really want to see some nice videos of scroll sawing, you need to go to scrollsawworkshop.blogspot.com. It's awesome.